How to passcode lock Snapchat on any Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to do that, simply launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, just scroll down to apps. Here tap on the option of app lock which is available at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on app lock and you'll be able to see different apps that are available for you to lock them. So here you can just tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat, or you can just simply scroll down and search for Snapchat application. So let me just search for it, and here you can see the Snapchat application. So you just need to toggle on this option, and now when you launch the Snapchat application, you will be able to see that it has been locked. So you need to enter a passcode to get into the Snapchat application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.